Tortoise tales, the slow and steady wonders of the wild. Hello little explorers. Welcome to another exciting journey into the wild wonders of our planet. Today, we're going to meet one of the oldest and most amazing animals ever to walk the earth, the tortoise. Get ready to be amazed by their slow but steady lifestyle, their armored shells, and the incredible stories hidden beneath them. Let's dive into the world of tortoises. What is a tortoise? A tortoise is a type of reptile, closely related to turtles. But unlike turtles, tortoises live only on land and have sturdy, domed shells and elephant-like legs that help them walk through dry, rough environments. They belong to the family Testudinidae and have been around for more than 200 million years, even before dinosaurs went extinct. Habitat and environment. Tortoises are found all over the world in warm climates. You can find them in deserts, grasslands, forests, and even mountainous areas. Each tortoise species has adapted perfectly to its home. For example, the desert tortoise digs deep burrows to stay cool in the hot sun, while the Galapagos tortoise lives in tropical islands with lush vegetation. Shell secrets. Now let's talk about their most fascinating feature, their shell. Did you know that a tortoise's shell is actually part of its body? It's made up of over 50 fused bones, including parts of its ribs and spine. That means tortoises can't crawl out of their shells, their shell grows with them. The top part of the shell is called the carapace, and the bottom part is the plastron. These two sections are joined by what's called a bridge. This shell protects tortoises from predators, heat, and injury. It's their mobile armor, and it tells us a lot about their age and health, too. Behavior and senses. Tortoises may be quiet creatures, but they have fascinating ways of communicating. They mostly use movement and body language to express themselves. For example, a tortoise might bob its head or gently nudge another tortoise to show curiosity or even establish dominance. Despite moving slowly, tortoises have a strong sense of smell, which helps them find tasty plants, fruits, and flowers. They also have good eyesight, especially in bright daylight, allowing them to spot food and safely navigate their surroundings. What do tortoises eat? Most tortoises are herbivores, which means they love to munch on plants. Their favorite snacks include grasses, leafy greens, fruits, and flowers. Some desert tortoises even eat cactus. Although tortoises don't have teeth, their strong beak-like mouths help them chew tough plants with ease. Tortoises don't drink water very often. Instead, they get most of their water from the plants they eat. And when they do find water, they might store it in their bodies to stay hydrated during dry times. Life cycle of a tortoise. The tortoise life cycle is incredible. After a female tortoise lays her eggs in a warm hole in the ground, she covers them with soil and leaves them to hatch. After a few months, the baby tortoises, called hatchlings, break out of their eggs using a special tooth called a carbuncle. These tiny babies are fully equipped with their own little shells, and they start walking and feeding soon after hatching. They grow slowly, and it can take years before they become adults. Some tortoises live for over 100 years, that's longer than most humans. Types of tortoises. There are many different types of tortoises. Here are a few famous ones. Galapagos tortoise, one of the largest tortoises in the world. Some weigh over 500 pounds. Aldabra giant tortoise, found on islands near Africa, these gentle giants live for more than 150 years. Desert tortoise, these tough little tortoises live in the hot deserts of North America. Leopard tortoise, named for the beautiful spots on its shell, this tortoise lives in the savannas of Africa. Each species has adapted to survive in its unique environment. Fun facts about tortoises. Tortoises are excellent diggers. They dig burrows to escape the heat and rest. A group of tortoises is called a creep. Tortoises can feel it when you touch their shells because of the numerous nerve endings inside. Some tortoises can go a year or more without food in tough conditions. Their slow metabolism helps them survive in extreme places. Why tortoises matter? Tortoises play an important role in their ecosystems. They help spread seeds, create homes for other animals through their burrows, and keep plant growth balanced. But sadly, some tortoise species are endangered due to habitat loss and illegal pet trade. That's why it's important to protect tortoises and their natural homes. So, what did we learn today? Tortoises are ancient, amazing reptiles with armor-like shells, gentle movements, and a peaceful way of life. They remind us that even the slowest creatures can be incredibly strong, wise, and full of surprises. Thank you for exploring the world of tortoises with us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another animal adventure. See you next time.